Hello, quizzers. Welcome to AHB Quizzes. Today we have 7 challenging math riddles for you. Let's find out if you can solve them. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Riddle number 1. Can you guess what the missing number is in this sequence? You have 15 seconds to answer. In this sequence, dividing the left numbers by 2 gives us the right numbers. For instance, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So if we divide 54 by 2, we will have our missing number, that is 27. Riddle number 2. Take a look at this circle where one number is missing. Can you figure out which number completes the pattern? Look closely and give it your best shot. You have 15 seconds. Let's analyze this pattern. If we add the numbers along each diagonal, the total is always 25. For example, in the first diagonal, 3 plus 11 plus 4 plus 7 equals 25. Similarly, in the second diagonal, 12 plus 5 plus 8 also equals 25. Therefore, the missing number should be 0. Riddle number 3. Take a close look at this series of numbers: 81, 87, 69, 82, 84. Can you figure out what comes next? You have 15 seconds to guess. The answer is 89. But wait, how did we get that? These numbers actually represent ASCII codes for letters. In this sequence, the ASCII codes correspond to the letters Q, W, E, R, T. And if you're following the pattern, the next letter, which has an ASCII code of 89, is Y. Riddle number 4. Take a look at the figure on the screen. Can you identify the 2 missing numbers? You have 15 seconds to analyze the pattern and find the missing numbers. Let's break down the pattern and reveal the missing numbers. The pattern in this figure is that the number in the center of the triangle is the square root of the sum of the numbers sitting outside on the corners. For instance, 10 plus 22 plus 4 is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. Let's apply this pattern to find the missing numbers. For the first missing number to the left, 10 plus 42 plus 12 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8, and for the second missing number to the right, 12 plus 22 plus 15 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So the missing numbers are 8 and 7. Did you manage to crack the code? Congratulations to those who did. Riddle number 5. Take a look at the image. 4 circles are displayed, but the 4th circle is missing a number. Can you figure out what the missing number should be? You have 15 seconds to analyze the pattern and find the missing number. Let's reveal the solution to this intriguing puzzle. The pattern in this puzzle involves basic arithmetic operations. Let's break it down. In the first circle, 5 plus 4 into 2 is 18. In the second circle, 12 plus 8 into 3 is 60. In the third circle, 3 plus 9 into 4 is 48. Following the same pattern, we can calculate the missing number in the 4th circle. 4 plus 2 into 5 is 30. So, the missing number in the 4th circle is 2. Did you manage to solve the puzzle? Let us know in the comment section. Riddle number 6. Take a good look at this number square. We have 3 rows of numbers, but there's a number missing. Your challenge is to analyze this square and figure out which number fits in place of the question mark. You have 15 seconds. Ready? Your time starts now. If you guessed the number 20, then congratulations, you nailed it. But let's break down why that's the correct answer. This puzzle follows a unique pattern where the number in the first column divided by the number in the second column, then multiplied by 8, equals the number in the third column. For instance, in the first row we have 35 divided by 20, which gives us 7 divided by 4. Multiply that by 8 and voila, you get 14, which matches the number in the third column. Applying the same formula to the row with our mysterious question mark, 5 divided by 2 times 8, we find that the answer is indeed 20. It fits perfectly into our puzzle, maintaining the established pattern. Riddle number 7. Look at this number sequence carefully. Can you determine what number should come next? Take a moment, think it through. You have 15 seconds to mull it over. Let's unravel this mystery sequence. If you thought this was just about simple addition, you're in for a surprise. The trick to solving this puzzle isn't about following a straightforward pattern. It's about combining prime numbers with a little twist. Let me show you how. First, let's consider the first 7 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. Now watch closely what happens when we add 5 to each of these numbers. By adding 5 to each prime number, we get the sequence 7, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, and the answer to our puzzle, 22. And there you have it. The next number in our sequence is 22. It's all about spotting the underlying pattern of prime numbers plus a twist. If you figured it out, give yourself a pat on the back. And if not, don't worry. Puzzles are all about training our brains to see the unseen and think outside the box. So, how many of these riddles did you manage to solve? Share your score in the comment section below, and let's see who the real math wizards are. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your puzzle-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for more brain-tickling riddles. Until next time, keep those gears turning.